Welcome to the CNC train, where innovation meets skill development. Today, we are excited to introduce you to our latest endeavor, the MTAB Finishing School for all final year students of core engineering branches and job seekers with guaranteed placements. We have partnered with MTAB engineers as their hosting platform, and together, we are introducing MTAB Finishing School. Let's take a brief overview of this project. We have an impressive array of resources, including 7 plus technologies, 87 plus projects, and a total of 10 million Indian rupees and above investments by MTAB. Our program covers various technologies like CNC, automation, mechatronics, robotics, digital twins, and green energy. Now, let's explore the features of this program. Designed for core engineering final year students and job seekers, it spans 8 months, incorporating training, workshops, internships, exciting projects and placements. We guarantee 100% placements. MTAB Finishing School offers placement opportunities with over 400 manufacturing enterprises in digital manufacturing engineering, defense, aerospace, automotive, and electronics, making it an ideal choice for your career aspirations. In addition, you will get mentor support throughout the training. Our traceable digital certificates enhance your resume and CV, validating your skills. With various technologies covered and the best software available, you'll receive a comprehensive learning experience. For further queries, you can contact us on the given mails or visit our websites. Also, you can register for this course via the registration link given or scan the QR code. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the MTAB Finishing School. Join us as we shape the future of engineering.